guys, welcome back to my channel Naturally Beautiful, and today here we have Nidhi to join us back.
Hey guys, how are you all? So today I'm gonna create a look of this to Bhavna Di's face, and stay tuned for the video and let's get started.
So to start off with, first I'll be taking the gulab gel, and now she's cleaning my face with gulab gel so all the dirt of my face comes out. Next, we are taking a moisturizer. We didn't have a good moisturizer, so we have taken the Vaseline's body lotion and we are applying it on my face. You need to make sure that you are doing these steps very well, because if the base of your makeup is not good, the makeup won't come good. So make sure you penetrate the moisturizer very well. Next thing that we'll be using is a primer. So here Nidhi is using Shambo's primer, and you need to know that you need to use a very little amount for the primer, and you need to apply it only at the areas which you have large pores in. So she's taken a very tiny amount, a drop of it, and now what she's going to do is she's going to apply it in all of my open pore areas, and then she is going to let it sit into the skin. So she is massaging it into my skin. Guys, you don't have to forget that if you do not have applied the primer, trust me, your foundation won't come out good, because then all of your pores will be so much visible. These the primer will clean all of your pores and make it plain. Next, moving on to foundation, we are using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 215. So she has taken a pump at once, and now we don't have a concealer at the moment, so we are going to use the foundation as a concealer. Here, if you have dark circles, you can always use orange color corrector or orange lipsticks. If you would have noticed in my previous videos, I always most of the time use orange lipstick, but if you have orange corrector, well and good. Although today I didn't have so much dark circles, so I'm directly going with the foundation, applying it in the dotted motion, and then with the damp beauty blender she has started to blend it. So here it is after blending it. Now we feel that there's a bit more coverage that is needed, so we are going to take a little more pump and give it a little more coverage to the areas where it is required, near my under eyes. So we have applied it again, damping it and dabbing it, dab, because dabbing is the mantra for a flawless base. So after dabbing, you can see my under eyes look so good. It has almost covered all of my dark circles. Now we have a left of foundation that will be applying on my neck to balance the skin color of my neck and my face. Guys, remember, it's very important to apply foundation on your neck also, otherwise the skin color of your face and neck will look different, and then it won't look good. Again, dab it really well. So she's dabbing it. Next, moving on to loose powder or compact. Here we are again using Shambo's compact. So she's taken it, and this is the trick, guys, to apply powder in your under eyes. So she has folded the compact this thing, and then she's applying it. What this will do is it will make it very easy to apply it on my under eyes, and then you need to apply it in your entire face if you require to. So now again, we didn't have a contour, so we are using a lipstick. This looks purple on screen maybe, but this is brown. So this is how I have contoured my face. Now again, taking a damp beauty blender, and we are going to start to dab it. Dab. Make sure you don't dab it completely, so the contour is not visible at all, but you need to push it into your skin as much as possible so it looks natural. So she's dabbing it. Yeah, so we are done. You can see a clear difference. Now we are going to move on to blush. Again, for blush, we are using a pink lipstick. She has applied it in a crisscross manner and in all my areas, in my nose, in my chin, and now she's taking a brush and she's starting to blend it. Guys, what happened was it was a sudden plan and we didn't have a lot of makeup at that time, so we did it with whatever we had. Now moving on to eyes, again we are taking that pink lipstick, and for the base of the eyes we are making it with that pink lipstick. And again you need to, blend is the mantra for eyes, and dab 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 is the mantra for face. So we are blending it as much as possible. We are trying to create a pink base with it. After that, we have actually used glitter onto my eyes so that it gives a nice nice look. The reason why I've not showed the eyeshadow is because it was some local eyeshadow palette. Now lastly, moving on to lipstick, you can finish it off with any of your favorite lipstick. Here I'm taking a matte lipstick. After that I applied a liquid lipstick on it to make the color good. So yeah, now I'm gonna show how it finally looks like.
Hey guys, so this is the look I created for Bhavna Di's face. If you liked it, do tell me in the comment down right down.
Yeah, and if you've liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share it to all of your friends who need it. Yeah,
And
guys,
click
that is.
the bell icon.
And also hit the bell icon. So this is all for today's video. Bye bye.
Okay.